Is your Facebook ad account disabled? I'm gonna teach you two ways and how you would be able to reactivate your Facebook ad account.
Uh.
This is Babelyn Malate. I am an online entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, mom, and a teacher. So 2 days ago, I created an ad on my business manager. And after I publish it, I got this message that my Facebook ad account was disabled. And I really don't know why, but it stated there that I had policy violation, that I did not follow the advertising policy or the community standard, I think. And I tried to get to them by going to the request for review section. You can see that in your Facebook Manager ad account, and I clicked to that one and I wrote my concern and why my account should not be deactivated. I know that I have not violated any policies, and so I don't really know what happened there, and I cannot understand it. So after I wrote my my side to them in that request form, after a day I have not received any answer, and I saw that they just closed it. So I went to the support inbox and tried to reply to my request because I have not seen the reply. So that's the first thing I did. Number one was to just simply apply for that appeal and request for a review. So I know that I won't be able to get an answer if I'm just gonna sit down there and see my support inbox section, and therefore I tried to find another way, and I found out that you could actually contact their support team. They had the chat support. So you can go to the Facebook business resources, and that will bring you to the chat support team. If you look at the page, you will see down there that there is this get started button, and there you would be able to be connected to their messenger advertising, Facebook messenger advertising, and the representative will get to you after a couple of seconds. So it was very fast. I got Will to help me with my concerns. I'm showing you now our conversation. He was very helpful and concerned about my situation, and I also told him that I had some issues when it comes to advertising, because there are some system errors that I find on my side. Actually, after exchanges of information, Will had seen that I'm seeing a different problem on my part with the system that he's looking at. So there it says that I had violated, my account was flagged, but on my side it was disabled. So we're looking at two different scenarios. So I told him that I had some error messages when I'm uploading and publishing my ads. So I think it was not just about a policy violation, but probably about the connection, especially if you are using VPN, like for countries that do not actually allow Facebook, and there's probably a system error. I'm not sure with these two theories, but they're working it out now, and my issue has been escalated. So the second thing is to reach out their support, because they'll give you a very quick response and answer to your concern. And I'm very satisfied with that, because I know that they're doing something about my case, and they looked into it. That is completely important for small advertisers like me. So if you have problems with your ads account, if it's flagged or disabled, you want to try out these two steps. first you get to the request review portion, and then you can move on now to escalate your problem, go to their chat support. They actually have another option, which is you can send them an email from that same website, Facebook Business Resources. So go ahead and check out those two important ways to help you with your small business. I hope that you've learned something from this video. So if you think that this is very important, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share the video so that we can help more other entrepreneurs who are having problems with their Facebook ad account. Thank you so much.